Namaste students, I Chivian, Dr. Bina Diwan. Today's our topic is what is the difference between individual dispute and industrial dispute. Basically, two differences are mainly defined the difference between individual dispute and industrial dispute. Number one, whether a single workman who is aggrieved by an action of the employer and raised industrial dispute. Section 2K of the Industrial Dispute Act 1947 speaks of a dispute between employer and workman. That is, plural form is used. Before, in certain of the section 2A of the Act, an individual dispute could not per se be an industrial dispute, but it becomes one if taken up by the trade union or a number of workmen to the dispute. In industrial dispute is defined under section 2K of the IT Act 1947. Industrial dispute means any dispute or difference between employers and employers, or between employers and workmen, or between workmen and workmen, which is connected with the employment or non-employment or the terms of employment or with the condition of labor of any person. In individual dispute, to be declared as an industrial dispute, the following conditions are to be satisfied: a body of workmen under trade union or a considerable number of workmen are found to have common cause with the individual workman. Second, that the individual dispute was taken up or sponsored by workmen, sponsored by the workmen as a body, that is trade union, or by considerable section of them before the date of reference. Under industrial dispute, to constitute industrial dispute, the following elements are to be satisfied. Number one, a dispute between employers and employers, or employer and workmen, or workmen and workmen. Second, the dispute should be connected with employment or non-employment of terms of employment or condition of labor of any person. Under industrial dispute may be in relation to any workman. Dispute may be in relation to any workman or any other person in whom they are interested as a body. The main difference between industrial dispute and individual dispute. Industrial dispute is defined under section 2K of the Industrial Dispute Act 1847. Industrial dispute means any dispute or difference